Hi parents, welcome back. Today I'm going to show a short video on our adding using the 10 frames and because parents will need to participate in this activity with your child. A few things that we need before we start the game is I sent on the email numbers if you could have them cut them up or make your own numbers. But for this game, we really only need 0 through 5. We do not need 6 through 10 yet. So if you're making your own, only do 0 through 5. Second thing we will need is a 10 board or 10 frame with 2 sets of 5 manipulatives that look different. So I have a set of 5 that are red and a set of 5 that are yellow. They could be different by color or different by shape or whatever you have, just 5 different. So you could do 5 pennies and 5 quarters. Whatever you have that works for you, works for you. Another thing that we will need is some paper and a writing utensil because we're going to practice writing out some math problems. Okay, so the first thing we will do is I will explain to you how I'm going to define this for the children. We have 2 signs that we're going to be working with, 2 math signs today. The first one is this sign, and this is the plus sign or the adding sign. And what adding or plus means is whatever number is on this side, we are going to combine that number to the number on this side. So plus means combining them together. Then we have another sign called the equal sign. And the equal sign means whatever's on this side of the equal side is the exact same amount as whatever's on this side of the equal side. So the plus side, we are adding the 2 groups together or 2 numbers together. And equal means whatever's on this side of the equal sign is the exact same as what's on this side of the equal sign. Okay, so this is how we play. The parents are going to start, and you're going to use your manipulative, and you're going to have to play this by ear and see at what level, try to figure out what level your child's at. If they've been doing adding, you can go like at 3 or 4 to start with. If they've never really done adding before, start at 1 and 2. So you're gonna pick your color or your shape and put them on the board. So let's say we start with 2. So we have 2 there. 2's first. Then the child goes and picks a number from the card pile that is mixed up, and they see they have 3. So then they're gonna take and put 3 of their manipulatives on. So we have 3 yellow because that's what they picked. Mom or dad put 2, and you just pick randomly. You don't have to pick a card or anything like that. And they put their 3 on from that number. So then we're going to say, how many is that all together? If we combine that all together, how many is that? And if they can subbatize, which they should be able to see that that's 5 because of the 5 frame. If not, they can point and count if they need to. Then on the paper, we're going to go, and this is what they're going to do. They're going to write first the number that mom and dad put on there. So mom and dad put on a 2. Then we have to add the plus sign. 2 plus. And then we ask, how many did you put on? 3. So then we're going to write the 3. And what's the other sign we are using today? That's right, the equal sign. So we have 2 plus 3. We're going to, remember, combine these together. And when we combine that together, what did we say there was all together? That's right, 5. And we go down, around, and put the hat on. So does 2 combined with 3 equal 5? We can always check it by doing this. 2 dots for 2, 3 dots for 3, 5 dots for 5. And do we have the same amount of dots on this side of the equal side as we have on this side? Yes, we do. So we have it done. Good job, friends. So you can keep practicing then, doing different numbers. You can keep your 2 there and let them go through the whole stack of the cards here. And then you can move it up and you can put on 3 if you want. Or if they're struggling with the 2, you can take that down and do it with 1. So remember, the cards in the deck should only be 0 through 5. And you're starting by putting your number on first, and then they're going to pick a card and put their manipulatives on and add it up. So they put their manipulatives on, and then we make the math problem on the board. Okay, now I'm going to switch over to the kids and show them how to play this game. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, you know where to reach Jeff and I. Thanks. Bye.